Hello guys, good morning. I'm happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna, and if you saw my previous video, I'm making a huge triptych. It doesn't fit on my table at all. So I'm doing it in two parts. And today is part number 2, and I'm standing in front of part number 1. So I used this gorgeous Venetian rose pink as a split color, and here a cadmium yellow middle. But it turned out like a super vibrant orange. I personally love that, but I don't know if my commission lady would like that, but that doesn't really matter because I will keep it either way. So let me show you some close-ups and tell you my idea about this, because I don't want these two to hang together, but I want something in the middle with a more neutral color. So I'm going to use a winter blue mixed with some Prussian blue, so it will dry very dark as a split color, and use the same colors in between as I did here. So I think that will level out a little bit of the vibrancy, but I am in love myself. So let me show you some close-ups and let's continue with this triptych. Okay, so the one that I'm making today will go in the middle of these two, and this one, I am in love with this one. You know, that pink, woo! Here you see all those colors. I love the yellow in there as well. And even this part, you know, and I think this was a drip, but somehow I love everything about this one. And here, this one shines a lot, and this yellow, I definitely used yellow, but this is orange. It's the Netherlands color, but yeah, this one is a bit more messy because the canvas wasn't leveled and the design slipped a little bit away. So I don't know really about this one, if that will fit, because I hope I won't make a messy one today, of course. But yeah, it still is very lovely. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, here we go. Oh, I really hope this is gonna work out the same. So the blue here is a winter blue with some Prussian blue. And that will dry super dark, so that's gonna be nice. Okay, so let's do the sides real quick. But I think with the commission I will repaint the sides, you know, because it's kind of transparent, this color, as you can see. Okay, so I remembered how to layer the colors. So I will start with the violet red by Amsterdam. Then a touch of yellow. Some of this pink, not too much, just a little bit. And then we have the phthalo blue. Copper and gold. So there are going a lot of colors here, but it worked out pretty nice the last time, so why not now as well? It's starting to rain here. Ooh, I mixed the gold a lot with the yellow. I don't know if that's gonna be nice. But yeah, let's see. I can always scrape it off. Oh, do you hear the rain? Okay, so let's blow that over. Like that, and let's blow it out from here. Oh, that is kind of nice. Love this part. I don't know if you guys still can hear me. This weather outside is crazy. I feel like it's overwhelming my voice, but I'm gonna torch this. Yeah. I must say, pretty happy. I don't know yet what the directions of the canvases will be, but I think they will fit very nicely in different kind of ways. So yeah, wait and see for the final result. I think I will do the close-up when they're all dry and perfect. Dried result, guys. Super happy with this, and I think even the blue one is my favorite. There's a lot of shine and metallics in it. Well, the others do too. I love how they go together. You can puzzle with them, you know, you can put them upside down and stuff. Yes, was a challenge, but I am so happy. I would love to hear what you think about this. And maybe for you guys it looks small, but yeah, that's already kind of a big painting. I'm using my wide angle as well to shoot this, otherwise I can't get it on film. Yeah, I sure hope she loves this, but otherwise I'm keeping it. Definitely. I already showed Wouter as well. He is over the moon with this one, so. And I think personally the orange is a great addition. But I would love to hear what you think, of course, and what kind of split colors do you want to see next? Because I think this is far from over for me. I am loving doing these. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you next time, of course.